Today we are going to install a Brightsource 31-inch single-row Stealth Series light bar on this 2016 Tacoma. We like the Stealth Series for its blacked out look, which doesn't compromise the light output, which is an impressive 16,200 raw lumens. The light bar is powered with 18 by 10 watt Cree LED chips. The Cree LEDs are super stable and have an expected life of 30,000 plus hours. Output color is a crisp white 6,000 Kelvin.
Go in here.
Yeah. It's going to be right to that edge of each.
So you're telling me that you have to cut these little tabs off?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
All right.
The Brightsource kit includes mounting brackets, although we're using a custom kit on this Tacoma.
Where you need to remove that side plastic piece, and then it exposes the two mounting bolts on the side.
Like now. Okay.
Lost that.
Got it.
Pretty 1.5 in between.
3.5 inches.
I called it! Called it!
It's not a competition. I know. But I called it.
This single row LED light bar fits into smaller vehicle openings, and this is going to look great and perform really well.
Oh yeah.
Much better, eh?
The beam pattern is a combo beam, which gives us a good long range plus great side-to-side visibility. A great combination for off-road adventures. The light bar is rated at an IP67 level, meaning it is dust protected and water resistant to 1 meter. So the light stands up to rain, snow, and the occasional submersion.
So this is the wiring harness that comes with the LED light bar from Brightsource, and prior to this morning I ran the wires through the firewall, installed a switch in the lower left part of the dash where there's one of the knockouts, and so we've got this installed, and I think we're pretty much ready to plug it. The bottom slot there.
I'm sorry, hang on a second. Oh. Brightsource LED lamps are backed with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. This install was brought to you by Brightsource and by Raven Truck Accessories.
Yeah.
Give yourself 5 seconds and continue on, because I can crop that. I can crop that.
Crap the,
I can crop that. So
crap
it's no
the hell out of
problem.
it.
So